Hello there my darlings, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to Edwigealamode, where I share all things fabulous. If it's your first time, my name is Edwige and I do image consultant, personal shopping. So if it's your first time here, then welcome. On this channel though, we focus on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fragrances. So I'm so excited because today's video is sponsored by West Kiss Hair and I'm going to show you an unboxing of the product just now. Here we have a curly wave 13x4 HD frontal wig and it's a 24 inches long. This is very long and I'm so excited because the hair feels so soft. Look at that. You can see there's no tangling and every curl is separated. I actually thought the curls might be a bit more thicker, but do you know what? I'm so happy that it's more thinner and natural curl. So I'm really looking forward to wearing this hair. I've not had a deep wave like this in a very long time. Do they call it deep wave? They just call it curly wave, but for me this is more of a deeper wave. They have 37% of curly lace wigs and I'm going to leave the details in the description box for your reference. And you guys are always asking me about my hair, so this is why sometimes I like to come here and show you the hairs that I'm trying, the hairs that I'm loving. This is my first time to work with West Kiss Hair and already I think this is the best quality I have tried. Just from running my fingers through the hair, I don't know if you can see. Can you see that? It just looks very beautiful, feels very soft, very good quality. This is a ready-made wig. All you have to do is cut the lace off. As you can see here, can you see that? Everything has been pre-plucked, dyed and ready to wear. It's a literally ready to wear wig. It's a middle part, has some beautiful layback baby hairs as you can see. So again, the wig comes with a band inside, which is great for security, and it also contains a clip inside, contains a clip at the back, and it also contains 2 more clips on the sides. So this is really good to hook onto your hair, so for extra protection, and you can actually adjust this, which is really good. So let's go ahead and try this wig on. It feels a little bit big, so what I'm going to do is adjust it from here because I like my wigs to be a bit more fitted. It just makes me feel it makes me feel a lot more protected. So here is the wig on. Do you know what, the last time I had hair like this was, I think 2019 was probably the last time I had hair like this. Okay, so this looks so good. I love it already. Look at that, it's giving Janet Jackson, baby. So I think I'm going to take off the this inside because it doesn't look good. I need to put powder on it, so I'm going to do that later. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's pre-plucked. It has been bleached already. Beautiful baby hairs all back, ready to be worn. The color matches my skin perfectly. Can you see that? I really love this. And I think hair like this, you can use, I'm going to use a wet conditioner later to like make it more deep, or you can use water. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and just cut the lace off. It feels really, really soft. Best quality already, I can tell. You know, one of them ones you can just tell. Okay, so to cut the lace, I'm going to do a zigzag motion. Can you see? So I want to cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible. Like so. So far I've cut this much, and I'm gonna just put powder here to so that the hair can blend in. And here, I don't know if you guys can see, I think this is the best lace I've cut. It's so easy to cut because it's a HD lace. I don't know if I mentioned that as well. It's a HD lace. It's glueless, but you know me, I'm a bit extra. Sometimes I like to put a bit of glue just to help it to lay flat. But I'm going to show you once it's done what it's going to look like. But I just like to do, I think I messed it up here. Just gonna cut it like so. I'm gonna bring the wig a little bit forwards, but like I said, this is a glueless wig. The hair is ready. If you're a busy girl, if you're always on the go like me, then you want a wig that's already done. Everything has been done for you. So like I said, it's a glueless wig, but I think you have to make it tighter. I have to make it tighter for the hair to lay flat from here. Love this HD hair. It feels so good. So this hair's ready. You don't have to do anything to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this leave-in conditioner. I think this is just gonna make it a lot more flatter because I like my hair to be a bit flat, but you don't have to do this. Can you see it's making the curls even more deeper. I love this hair. It feels so good. Like the texture feels a bit like Afro-ish, and I like that. And I like that it's long. Oh, I love. Can you see how the curls are a lot more deeper on this side? Let me bring it here. This hair feels so good. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with tangling. Like this hair's not going to tangle, literally, because it feels that good. Thank you so much to West Kiss Hair for this collaboration, this partnership, and I hope that we can see more of them on this channel because they truly have really good hair. This is really good hair. Oh, wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Just gonna put this on it to lay it flat. And the good thing about this hair, you don't have to brush it. You can just use your fingers to brush it down. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Care stick, waxing stick, and this is just going to help the hair to lay. Okay, so I'm gonna just do it like so. I don't even need to hot comb the hair because it's flat. Using the Estee Lauder Goddess bronzer, just going to add some depth onto the hair just to blur out some of that look. I went ahead and just glued it down a little bit because I prefer my wigs glued. It's time to reveal what the hair looks like. I am loving this. Why does my voice sound like that? I'm loving this hair so much. This is how long it is. It goes down to here. Let me bring the camera down so you can see. It's long, 24 inches, comes long to here. I love how it looks so much. I just like to brush it along with my fingers. It's so pretty. This is going to be perfect for the summer, perfect for the winter. I feel like every season this hair is going to be great. I didn't put anything on it apart from water and the conditioner spray, just to get it to look more wavy, if you like. Like I said, this is more of a deep, you know, afro-y wave for me. As you can see, I love how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so you can see. So again, this is West Kiss hair. It's 13x4 HD lace human hair, and it's curly. I love it. Let me go ahead and open this up so that you can see how well it has been made and bleached to perfection. I love this hair. What do we think? Comment down below. Let me know. Does it suit me? Would you like to wear something like this? I know you guys have probably never seen me with hair like this before, but I like it. I really like it. Lost some weight, guys. I have lost some weight and I can see it on my face. This hair just fits perfectly. It fits the vibe. It's long enough. Let me see through this mirror. Oh, honey. Honey, I see you looking at me. I love this hair. What do you guys think? This is it close. You can see the lace. Like, that's what it looks like. You can hardly see the lace. The lace is HD, so it really blends well into the skin. Just look at that. We love to see it. We absolutely love to see it. So this is what the back looks like. That's what the back looks like. I love this hair, guys. I love this hair. Thank you so much to West Kiss. This hair is perfection. It feels so good. Look at how my fingers are just running through. We are not going to have any issues with tangling with this hair. It's just perfect. So perfect. This is going to be perfect for my holiday. I love this hair. I haven't had anything like this in a long time, so I'm looking forward to rocking this hair. What do you guys think? The lace is HD. It melts into your skin. It melts into your skin just like so. So if you want a HD lace, this is the one. As you can see, it really melts into the skin well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will leave all the details in the description box, including the link so that you could purchase this wig. I tell you, the quality is insane. As you can see, the hair does not tangle, and I think it's normal for hair to fall out. So we have a little bit of fallouts, which is absolutely normal, but some hairs tend to tangle a lot, especially this style, and this doesn't tangle at all. So I'm really happy with it. It's full, fun, very funky, and if you're a babe that's always on the go, this is the perfect wig for you because it comes ready. All you have to do is cut the lace. It's a glueless wig, so you could wear it glueless, or if you're like me, you could put a bit of glue just for that extra security. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, thank you so much to West Kiss Hair. I hope to work with you again soon, and I hope you guys love this look. Comment down below and let me know. This is beginner friendly, super easy, and I hope you enjoyed it.